Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to split or how to trim any video in a YouTube. It's not matter of anxiety guys. If you have already uploaded any video that you would like to trim, of course it's possible you can trim up that. Yeah, before uploading, if you would like to split, if you would like to trim any videos, whatever in any format of this video, if you wanna trim of that, of course you can. Let's see in this video tutorial. So suppose this is a video guys here that I have already uploaded, but total length of this video is 16 minutes 48 seconds. So this one I would like to trim, so just I will click on edit. After coming in the file manager, once again I repeat guys, see, first of all I will come on a file manager. So see, now it's a file manager. Now just I will click on edit. Now see guys, just I have to come on enhancement, and after clicking on enhancement, just I will come on trim. So here just I have to click in trim. Now see guys, here we have a option for trimming or splitting. So see guys, here this one I can, so if you would like to scroll, of course we can see, and from here also if I would like to sort of this video of length, of course you can trim here, you can split here according to your own customization guys. And after doing, just you have to go for here. When you will trim here, then just you have to go for done. After doing done, just you have to go for save it. So here at the moment not required, just my motive, that's how you will trim or how you will split. So this is way that you can split or you can trim of any video that you have uploaded already, before uploading guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive, that's how you will trim or how you will split any video. So if this video has acknowledged you in any way, if you are a YouTuber, then I know this is a very useful video. So please don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So thank you very much. Have a great time. Keep watching Technology Welfare.